It's a great day at Rusty Wallace Honda used cars. Today we're talking about a 2015 Infiniti Q40 SE, pearl white with a very light gray interior. No scratches, no dings, just a beautiful find. Rusty Wallace Honda, 40 years in serving the community and serving the Dallas Metroplex. 8-time President Award winner from Honda. This is a rare find, 6 cylinders, 3.7 liters, rear wheel drive, automatic. First of all, I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy day to watch this video. I'm here to serve you for all your vehicle needs, trucks, cars, Jeeps, whatever it's going to be. We're family owned. We want you part of our family. You can rest assured that if you see this video and you send it to somebody else, we're going to treat them like we would treat you, like family, okay? It's got a clean Carfax. It's got 11 months or 23,212 miles left on the factory warranty. 35 months or 33,212 miles left on the powertrain warranty. $20,787 is the price. Again, it is a 2015 Q40 SE in just pristine condition. It's got MP3 player, Bluetooth, keyless entry, security system, backup camera, HID headlights, fog lamps. Let's see here, a 10-speaker premium BOSE sound system with 10-inch woofers, navigation package, 36,806 are the actual miles. Okay. It's got stability control, traction control. It's everything that you're looking for in a luxury car. It's got heated seats, owner's manual, floor mats. I mean, the only thing it's missing is just a new family. 214-723-4366, John Hernandez. You have it comes with 2 keys. Here are your keys right here. Keyless entry. Nice and comfy in the back for your passengers. Individual vents. A nice armrest with your caddy here. Give us an opportunity to earn your business. We have very competitive prices. Again, $20,787. If you've been thinking about upgrading from your current vehicle, give us a call. 214-723-4366. I would love to go on a test drive with you. We're taking trades. We'll work with you. John Hernandez, 12277 Shallow Road, Dallas, Texas. Right here off of 635 Northwest Highway. Just a beautiful machine. Thanks for watching my video. Have an awesome day. Take care. Bye-bye.